Hey friends, if you wish to change or set device usage in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, and then you will find an option for device usage. Now device usage is specific to what do we say, the app. For example, I can select device usage for family app, and it will give everyone their own profiles on the device. Okay, and if you set device usage for gaming, then you will be able to keep up with the latest game and games and new releases. But I'm against this. I'll tell you why. Because when they say personalized tips, ads, and recommendations, they are accessing your data, and when they access your data, then that is breach of privacy. But if you're fine with it, then that's not a problem. You will get personalized suggestions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.